Good afternoon. We've hit that time where the greenery just takes over, but before I show you more generally, I thought I'd put a little bit on this. This is new this year. There's a patch somewhere else in the woods where there's some of the white bluebells growing, but this one I've just spotted as I walked along. But I thought I would just show you how everything's gone crazy. So I'll keep on wandering. But this section, isn't it glorious? It's absolutely stunning seeing all of the flowers out. A while back I took a photo of this set of logs and there was just nothing around them. And this is one of the spots where we don't have many bluebells. But I'm just wandering down the main path. And this is the other side. I don't think it shows quite how much growth there is. Everything is now well above knee height. We're in the beautiful time right now. In a couple of months it all gets to feel a bit cloying, but right now it's just gorgeous. The weather today means that it's feeling just nice and fresh, not too hot at all. I'm going to keep on walking, give you the whole stretch over the bridge. I don't think I've shown much about the bridge and the stream. Now there's unlikely to be any water in the stream today,